Every generation discovers something that changes the course of humanity. For our time, that force is artificial intelligence. We talk about it with both fascination and fear. Machines that think, systems that decide, algorithms that seem almost alive. But what if the real story of AI isn't about replacement, but enhancement? What if this technology, the one we often call dangerous, is actually helping us become more human? Today, AI can see what we can't, analyze what we never could, and unlock potential we've only dreamed of. From saving lives to saving the planet, from expanding minds to uniting communities, artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping our world for the better. This is not science fiction. This is our present. This is the bright side of AI. In hospitals across the world, AI is already saving lives. Every second, millions of medical images are analyzed by intelligent systems that can spot the smallest trace of disease, a shadow, a pattern, a detail invisible to the human eye. AI algorithms can detect cancer, heart disease, and rare disorders long before symptoms appear. Doctors are no longer alone in the fight against illness. They have digital partners who never sleep, never tire, and never forget. In operating rooms, surgical robots, guided by AI, assist surgeons with precision so fine that recovery times are cut in half. For patients with chronic diseases, AI helps monitor health in real time, predicting when intervention is needed. Wearable devices track heart rate, oxygen levels, even mood changes. And beyond the hospital, AI listens where people often go unheard, in the world of mental health. Through compassionate chatbots and therapy assistants, AI offers comfort to millions who have no one else to talk to. AI in healthcare isn't replacing the human touch. It's giving it superhuman reach. It's transforming medicine from reactive to proactive, from healing the sick to preventing illness before it begins. Education is the foundation of every great civilization. But for centuries, it's been limited by geography, money, and opportunity. Artificial intelligence is changing that. AI-powered education systems can now personalize learning for each student. They adjust lessons based on how quickly a child learns, what topics confuse them, and what inspires their curiosity. No two students are the same, and AI finally understands that. From rural classrooms in Africa to digital tablets in Pakistan, AI-driven apps are teaching languages, science, and coding to children who might never have seen a teacher in person. For the first time in history, education is becoming borderless. AI tutors can explain complex math problems, translate any text into any language, and offer feedback instantly, 24 hours a day. Even teachers benefit. AI helps them track student progress, identify weaknesses, and focus on what really matters: mentoring, motivating, and connecting. Education powered by AI is not just about learning facts. It's about unlocking human potential everywhere. While humans debate politics, AI is quietly helping us heal our planet. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, these global problems are vast, complex, and deeply interconnected. But AI thrives on complexity. It processes mountains of environmental data, tracking forest loss, analyzing air quality, and predicting floods or wildfires before they strike. In agriculture, AI helps farmers detect crop diseases early and use just the right amount of water and fertilizer, reducing waste and protecting the soil. In the oceans, AI-powered drones monitor coral reefs, measure water temperatures, and track illegal fishing. AI even helps design renewable energy grids that balance wind, solar, and battery power to create cleaner cities and sustainable homes. The truth is simple. The same intelligence we created to mimic ourselves is now helping us save the only home we have. Artificial intelligence, when guided by conscience, is becoming the guardian of Earth. For centuries, creativity was something we believed only humans could possess. The spark of inspiration, the power to imagine, to feel. But AI has entered the world of art, music, and storytelling, not to replace creators, but to collaborate with them. Musicians are now using AI to compose symphonies that blend classical emotion with digital imagination. Painters generate visual masterpieces with AI's help, turning dreams into vibrant digital canvases. Writers use AI to explore new forms of narrative, building worlds that challenge the boundaries of imagination. And yet, behind every algorithm, there's still a human heart. Someone teaching the machine what beauty means, what harmony feels like, what emotion sounds like. AI reminds us that creativity isn't about competition, it's about co-creation. Together, human and machine are crafting a new artistic language, one that speaks not just to logic, but to the soul of innovation. In the workplace, AI is transforming how we think, create, and collaborate. Yes, automation is replacing some tasks, but it's also creating new opportunities faster than ever before. AI handles routine work, data entry, scheduling, analysis, so humans can focus on what only humans can do: problem solving, empathy, design, and leadership. Businesses use AI to predict trends, understand customers, and manage resources efficiently. Doctors use it to organize patient data. Lawyers use it to analyze evidence. Even artists and journalists use AI tools to refine their craft. The result? A new kind of workplace, one that's smarter, faster, and more creative. Instead of replacing human jobs, AI is redefining what work means, pushing us toward tasks that require heart, imagination, and humanity. In this new age, success isn't about competing with machines, it's about collaborating with them. Beyond science and business, AI is making a real difference in the world of compassion. AI helps humanitarian organizations predict where famine will strike next, so food aid can arrive in time. It analyzes social media to detect early signs of disease outbreaks or crises. It translates emergency messages instantly for disaster relief teams in foreign lands. In developing countries, AI supports farmers, teachers, and doctors with real-time information. It gives the voiceless a voice, and the powerless a chance. Technology once built for profit is now being reimagined for purpose. When AI serves humanity, it reminds us that the greatest intelligence of all is empathy. At its core, artificial intelligence is a mirror, a reflection of who we are, what we value, and what we choose to create. It learns from us, our data, our decisions, our dreams. And in return, it shows us a glimpse of what we can become. AI can be our greatest tool, but only if we remember the one thing it will never have: our conscience. The future of AI is not about domination, but collaboration. Humans provide wisdom. AI provides speed. Humans bring empathy. AI brings precision. Together they form something powerful, a partnership that could define the next chapter of civilization. Artificial intelligence is not the end of humanity. It is a mirror, a messenger, and a milestone in our evolution. Yes, it carries risks, but so did every great invention before it. What matters now is not what AI will do to us, but what we will do with it. We can choose fear, or we can choose faith in our own creativity. We can build walls, or we can build bridges between humans and machines. The power of AI lies not in its code, but in our character. When guided by ethics, purpose, and compassion, artificial intelligence will not replace humanity. It will reveal its best version. This is the future that awaits us. A future not controlled by machines, but shaped by the wisdom of humankind. This is the bright side of AI, a story not of fear, but of hope. Subscribe for more deep dive videos on humanity. Until then, stay blessed.